Green train, blue train. Up comes the yellow sun. Blue train Thomas starts his run. Green train Percy sees the sun. Now his busy run is done. Well done, green train. Have fun, blue train. Beep beep, clickety clank. Blue train Thomas on the track. Load up the brown cows. Load up white eggs, green plows. Load up the blue bikes, red wagons, orange trucks. Load up the new toys. Gifts for little girls and boys. The sun is yellow, the sun is round. The sun makes shadows on the ground. Here comes a green cloud. Blue train Thomas peeps so loud. Down, down on the train. Green clouds start to rain. Beep, beep, oh no, where can red train Thomas go? Beep, beep, the sun is back. Blue train slows down on the track. Unload the brown cows, white eggs, green plows. Unload the blue bikes, red wagons, orange trikes. Unload the new toys for happy little girls and boys. Down goes the yellow sun. Blue train Thomas's day is done. Home now to the shed. Beep beep, the shed. Beep beep, the shed. The shed is where Thomas can sleep. The moon, up peeps the white moon. Green train starts soon. Beep beep, clickety clank. Green train Percy on the track. Load up all the mail and unload along the rail. Boxes of all shapes and sizes, blue presents, red sizes, cards and letters by the stack. Lots of brown crates in a stack. Green train Percy slows down. He picks them and puts them. He picks them up and puts them down. Boxes of all shapes and sizes, blue presents, red prizes, cards and letters by the stack. Lots of brown crates in the stack. The moon is round. The moon is white. The moon makes shadows in the night. The night is cool. The fog is thick. A yellow light will do the trick. Beep! Up peeps the yellow sun. Green train Percy now is done. Home to the shed. Now to the shed. Beep beep, the shed is where Percy can sleep. Blue train Thomas sees the sun. Time again to start his run. Well done, green train. Have fun, blue train. The end.